Introduction to MS-DOS Basic Commands and Disk Tools. What are MS-DOS commands? MS-DOS or Microsoft Disk Operating System commands are text-based instructions typed into the command line interface or CLI of MS-DOS. They allow users to communicate directly with the operating system to perform different tasks such as managing files, running programs, and configuring system settings. These commands are executed in the command prompt or CMD or DOS shell. Why are MS-DOS commands used? It is used because it provides direct control over the operating system. It allows file and folder management to create, delete, copy, move, and rename. It also helps in system configuration and troubleshooting, can perform batch processing, automating tasks using batch files, work on systems with limited graphical interfaces, and are useful for IT professionals and advanced users to diagnose and repair issues quickly. These are the list of MS-DOS commands. Conclusion: MS-DOS commands are fundamental tools that provide direct interaction with the operating system. They are powerful for managing files, configuring systems, and troubleshooting problems without relying on graphical interfaces. Even though modern operating systems use GUIs, MS-DOS commands remain relevant for IT professionals, system administrators, and learners who need a deeper understanding of how computers work at a basic level. Thank you. So, first command na gagawin natin is dir, and as you can see, these are the list of dir. Then now we're going to type help, and as you can see, this is also the list of help. And now we're going to change our uh, font, and we have to type color 05, and let's change it again to a different color. Yeah, and now let's head to our USB. And let's create two separate folders that we will be naming Ilarde and sample1. So here we're gonna change or rename the sample1 to sample2. Yan. And nag-change siya. And let's move to sample2 to Ilarde. And that's all. And if you want to exit in this prompt, just type exit. And now let's head to Disk Tools. First, we're going to type Disk to show the details of our disk. And next is the list disk. to see the available disk in our PC. After that, we're going to choose the online disk here. And now, we're going to select the disk that is online, which is the disk 1. So after that, type disk volume to locate our USB, and our USB is in the volume 2, and now we're going to select that now. And now we're going to type clean to clean it. Here we are going to create a partition, but before that, just a reminder that we can't access our USB until we formatted it. And now that we had created our partition, it is time to format it. Remember to put quick if you're going to format to your USB unless you want your formatting sequence to be slow. And now we're going to wait for it to be completed. And after that, we just have to type assign. Then we can access our USB again. And that's all. Thank you.